and the mic's just shocking. I don't actually know what to do. Like, is it the little fucking dongle? Is it the actual mic? Is it my camera? I don't know. So I've gone through all the variables. So what I've done is I've changed the little dongle thing. I bought a new mic. I've changed the camera. So we'll just have to see if it continues happening, because if it does, then I don't know what's up with it, to be honest. But it keeps on like peaking even though I'm not talking that loud. I don't understand it. It almost sounds sort of like I've got a voice isolation setting on, but I don't. So if there's any people out there that can help me fix it, it'd be very much appreciated, because it's gotten a lot better from the Squire's egg run video, because that was just shocking. But I didn't want to just like chuck that video away, if I'm being honest. I had a lot of fun. The mic just had to ruin it, didn't it? But yeah, I'm out just testing, and I'm hoping that I fixed it.